press-on nail application routine. I'm going to be sharing all of my tips and tricks and also answering some questions that were submitted via Instagram. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my set glazed. You can find this on my website. First, I'm going to go in with a cuticle pusher and remover. I'm going to lather the remover all over my cuticles and just allow it to sit for a couple of minutes before I go in and push them back. And if you don't feel comfortable cutting your cuticles, just pushing them back is a great alternative. For my first hack, I'm going to go in with my nail drill and buff the back of my press-on nails. This is going to allow the glue to adhere so much better to my natural nail and the press-on nail. And I understand everyone doesn't own a nail drill, but you can easily find them on Amazon for about $15. The first question I got was, are your press-on nails reusable? And yes, they are, especially if you own a nail drill. When you remove your press-on nails, you can use the nail drill to buff the back of the nail again so you can remove the dried glue. And then once you remove the dried glue, you can store the nails for later and they'll be ready for your next wear. So next I'm going in with the nail file to buff my natural nails. I do this so I can remove all the shine off my nails, which is gonna allow the glue to adhere properly. And after you're done buffing, this is what your nails should look like. They should look really ashy. And I like to do this step twice, so I buff my nails, wipe with an alcohol wipe, and then buff them again. You don't have to repeat this step twice, but again, the goal is to make your press-on nails last as long as possible. So if you skip this step, don't come crying back to me if your nails pop off after a week. Which leads me to my next question. How do you make your press-on nails last long? Mine always pop off. I feel like one of the biggest reasons press-on nails don't last is that there was too much moisture on the natural nails, which is why you want your nails to be dehydrated, dry, and ashy. My next hack is using a nail dehydrator. This was a game changer for my nail routine. It just really makes sure that your nails are as dehydrated as possible. Everything you do to your natural nails, you want to do to your press-on nails. So I'm going to go in with some acetone and a Q-tip and just wipe the back of the press-on nails, and this is going to dehydrate the back of the press-on nails as well. So my next question is, what is the best, safest, and strongest glue that you find works for your nails? So my two favorite glues are the Nailene Ultra Quick and the Macart Nail Glue. For this video, I'm going to use the Macart Nail Glue, and I also think it's a safer option for your nails because it is vegan and cruelty-free, and it's also of a thicker consistency, so it won't be runny and it won't get all over your skin, which is definitely a better option. So when applying my press-on nails, I like to apply glue all over my natural nail bed, and then I also like to add a dollop of glue onto the back of the press-on nails. I feel like that's a crucial step. You want to add glue to both your natural nail and the back of the press-on nail. My next question is, how do you get dried glue off your press-on nails? And this one is super easy. You just want to use a little bit of acetone on a Q-tip and just dot away the dried glue and it should come right off. And when you're applying your press-on nails, you want to try your best to apply them at a 45-degree angle. So I do this by using the base of the press-on to push back my cuticle, and then I lower it onto my nail plate. You don't want to slide them back because you're going to get air bubbles if you do that. So again, you want to apply it at a 45-degree angle and then lower it onto your nail plate. So when I say air bubble, that means that there's air caught in between your natural nail and the press-on nail, which is going to cause your press-on nail to pop off quicker. So you want to apply your nails at a 45-degree angle so that the glue can evenly spread across the nail plate and no air will get caught in between. And my last question is, why does the glue spill out onto my skin when applying my nails? So if the glue is spilling out, that means you applied too much glue. So you want to make sure that you're cautious of how much glue you're applying. Again, apply some onto the natural nail bed and onto the back of the press-on nails, but you don't have to apply too much. I usually like to put a dot on my natural nail bed and then spread it out across my nails, and that should be enough. So then I like to go in with some cuticle oil for some shine, and then you're done. You have your final product. Again, this set is called Glazed. You can find it on my website. Glazed donut nails, mwah, I'll never get tired of that trend. They're so beautiful. Hailey Bieber, you ate that one little thing. I'll give you that. That one little, just a nibble. But here's the final product. Again, follow these tips and tricks and let me know if they work for you. Thanks for watching, girlies.